Hey, in this video I'll show you how to zoom in and out in Excel. Look at the bottom right corner of your Excel window. You'll see a zoom slider on the status bar. It has a minus sign on the left, a plus sign on the right, and a percentage value next to it. By default, it's set to 100%. To zoom in, drag the slider to the right, or click the plus button. Each click zooms in by 10%, and your worksheet view updates immediately. Excel lets you zoom in all the way to 400%. To zoom out, drag the slider to the left, or click the minus button. Each click zooms out by 10%, and your worksheet view shrinks immediately. You can zoom out down to 10%, which is the minimum. If you want to set a specific zoom level, click the percentage value next to the slider. This opens the zoom dialog box. You can enter any number between 10 and 400, or select a preset option like 50%, 75%, or 200%. Click OK to apply it. There's also a faster way if you have a keyboard. Press Ctrl and the plus sign to zoom in, or Ctrl and the minus sign to zoom out. Each press changes the zoom by about 15%. This works on any Excel version and is much quicker than using the slider. Here are a few things to remember. Zooming only changes what you see on screen. It doesn't affect your font size, formatting, or how the worksheet will print. Each worksheet in your workbook can have its own zoom level, and Excel saves these settings when you save the file. If you zoom out too far and see hash marks in cells instead of text, the actual content hasn't changed. Excel just can't display it at that zoom level. The content is still there. That's how to zoom in and out in Excel.